Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a script for AuraCraft. It was made by Reaper, so shout out to him for making the script. Let's get into it. We're going to be using Reaper today, obviously the most OP script, but let's get into it. So we have the auto farm coins. Let's just click that real quick, and as you guys can see, it actually starts to auto farm coins, and you guys can see that it is going up in my bottom right corner too. It is very OP, so I do recommend you guys using the script. You could also do the farm coins too as well. It's that OP, it's not even stopping. There we go, okay. And now we can do this too. Alright, there we go. So 50 coins each time, it's pretty good. Cycle fruit auras, claim daily reward, we could do that too. As you guys can see, I don't even know what I have. I have no clue what I have, not even lying. But AuraCraft, this is what you do, is you craft constantly. We have the cycle fruit auras, as you guys can see there. And we have claim rewards, so water plus water. Water plus water, obviously. There we go. Water plus water. That doesn't mean anything. What do you mean, bro? Alright, what is this? Join back every day for prize redeem. Remember. Okay. Right, so let's do it again. Let's go to local player instead now. And let's go down to the options. As you guys can see, we have everything. You can fly. It's pretty nice. So it gets us back onto the map. And there we go. We've also got the walk speed. As you guys can see, it makes you walk really fast. I don't think you can walk this fast normally in this game. And we can toggle fly to get up here. And then we can run over here. There we go. I don't know why this looks like this. I think I'm pretty good at the game, if anything. Let's see what other people have actually. No, we can't. But yeah, we have teleports too. We can do every single one. We can do aura shop. There we go. So exclusive auras, passes. Ugh, money. You have to use money. Disgusting. Okay. Coin shop. As you guys can see, 10 rolls, 3 rolls, 100 rolls. That's 10 rolls each. Here we go. Okay. And here we are. There we go. So we're going to continue doing this at the coin shop. Keep clicking that. Because if we do that, then, you know, we can get stuff. And there we go. Wow, so what else can we do? How many crafts can we do each? Oh, 10 rolls. Again, let's go. Okay, so there we go. Got cycle. I don't know why you need that. But yeah, so sad. But yeah, it's pretty good. So let's go down and see some more stuff. We have lighthouse. As you guys can see, it just teleports us up here. And we also have the daily reward that we did a minute ago, so we don't need that. Miscellaneous, we have server hop and server hop to low player count server. Settings, you can change what it actually looks like in the menu, which is pretty nice. You can blind yourself with light mode. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.